And I actually have a 3D scanner here. I have my phone recording the top view of the 3D scanning process. But our first attempt didn't look as good of a scan. Like, it didn't look high quality. So we're gonna use ChatGPT voice mode to do the full process for us. Ken, do you have access to use my computer, my MacBook?
I can if you want. Tell me what you'd like to do, and I'll take it from there.
So we have a Revo Point 3D scanner. This is Revo Metro. Open the app. I want to make sure. Oh, that's so cool. Look, it follows us around. I'm gonna move you on the left side. Okay. Access the Revo Metro app that we have right now. Can you do that?
Okay. I'll check your MacBook and open it. It's already open and connected to the scanner. You're on the scan screen, ready to start.
Do you have access to web search as well? Like,
Yep, I
can
can.
you just pull the Metro? So this is the Metro X 3D scanner, and then the software is, well, you know the software name. Can you pull the instructions?
Sure, I'll pull up the official guidance. I found the official instructions for the Metro X and Revo Metro software, including the online manual, quick start, and support page.
Can you do this full pipeline for us, please?
Got it. I'll check the scan pipeline.
And then just do it.
I can do
Do the
the.
full process.
Got it. I'll run it from start to finish.
Oh, and can you narrate as you're doing everything?
Sure, narrating as I check. Clean workspace open, starting with the camera preview. Then I'll walk through a capture, quality check, cleanup, and export.
Is everything physically set up right?
Uh, the live view looks good. I see the small bust, the marker dots, and a solid distance reading. I'm setting up feature scan with full field, high accuracy, and automatic depth exposure for this test. Feature tracking is locked and capturing cleanly. 29 frames so far. Let it make one slow full rotation and I'll stop it when complete.
Should I like rotate the angle more so I could get the top of the head, or should I leave it alone?
Checking that. Leave it alone for this rotation. After it finishes, pause it and tilt the scanner down for a separate top pass. Changing angle mid-pass can break alignment.
Okay, and did a full rotation and I paused it.
Checking that now. The first pass, level pass, is complete, and I'm checking its coverage before the top pass. First pass has over 700 frames and looks dense, but the app was still recording. I've paused it at 808 frames. Now tilt it down about 20 to 30 degrees and let me know, and I'll run a top pass.
Fuck. Okay, I tilted it. Should I rotate it?
Checking that. Yes, a slow, full rotation is right for this top pass.
Okay, it started and it's tilted. Try the next pass. I assume you combine them after.
Yep, it's in range. I'm resuming now. Go ahead with one slow rotation, and I'll merge the passes after.
Okay, it's done.
Capture is paused with over 1,000 frames across both passes, already combined in this project.
Okay, now look into the official instructions and what could we do after we have a scan to make it as high quality as possible.
Okay, checking that against the guidance now for the best cleanup path. Fusion has a denser output setting, but the default is calibrated to what you captured, so I'm keeping that to avoid inventing detail. The capture is in Fusion now. I'm checking the official post-processing order so we keep the real detail. For the best model, use high-quality Fusion with the suggested point distance, remove the blocks automatically, isolate any floating noise, and create a mesh with only small holes filled. Skip smoothing and simplification so you don't lose facial detail. Export the mesh for printing, and also save the fused point cloud as your archive.
Can we print it after? Okay. Run that full optimal pipeline.
Running that now. Yes, it can be exported as an STL for printing. Running the Fusion cleanup and mesh pipeline now. High detail Fusion is running.
It looks way better. Look.
Fusion is complete and the point cloud is ready. Cleaning up floating noise now while keeping the surface detail intact. Cleanup kept the main form intact, generating the high quality print mesh now.
This is the original, and this is fresh out. Printer.